저 미래로 달아나자.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. So today I will be doing a makeup tutorial. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Hey guys, welcome back. Let's get started. So I don't have a mirror today. I'm just doing my makeup in the camera. And don't mind the shower water. I don't like to put that much foundation on my eyes, because if I put too much foundation, my eye starts hurting. And yeah, so I will be using this makeup palette that I got for my birthday, and I will be using this green right here that's called Sprint. Don't mind, I know the toilet noise as well. So I only love to add one color. It's like I'm still learning. Ignore that. Okay, I think that's good enough. Next, I'm gonna be using this purple liquid lip gloss by Liquid Velvet or something like that. I like to use like second coat of lipstick. I like to add like a little bit more. The color can be seen more, you know. So this is how my makeup went. I will be right back when I do my hair. Then I will take pictures of my makeup and don't forget to go follow me on Instagram. I will put my Instagram down here that you can go follow me, and go follow my TikTok right here. Yeah, I will be right back. So guys, I'm back. So I'm done with my makeup. If you haven't noticed, I cut my hair so short and I love it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on my post notification whenever I post new videos. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. So